Okay, let's start working on the freaking brakes here. Let's see what we got going on. Put that away. So big old disc brake here. Wouldn't that be funny if I put this on and learned that it doesn't even fit? Like it's the wrong freaking size. Well, I just figured out that it doesn't fit and it's the wrong freaking size. Oh, I'm gonna have to wait for a new one. Okay, so I started her up for the first time and the chain did not do too well. It came off the sprocket and the master link broke. So it's super tight right now. It's all binded up in there. This got a little smoky and the exhaust got smoky as well. This should be good for like 2,000 degrees, or yeah, 2,000 degrees. So I don't know why it's, maybe it just needs to go through its initial smoking period and hopefully it doesn't wear off. But the chain is what's concerning me because it immediately broke off. It's like not guided on properly. I don't know if it's, I don't know why I did that, but I'm probably gonna need a new chain. Dang it. All right, well, I've got some new stuff. We're gonna do a new unboxing. I just recently got the brake pads in, or the brake assembly in. This is because the last one was broken and the wrong size. So we have, there's the disc brake, much larger mounting holes, so that's good. And the real important part, the actual brake caliper and assembly. Let's go ahead and unbox that bad boy. I'm a little sweaty right now because I just came from a run. Did a little bit of a 3-mile run to keep in shape. All right, this one, all nice and wrapped up. Yeah, look, that one's, maybe it's supposed to come bent. Okay, well, I guess it's supposed to come bent because they're all kind of coming that way. And then here's the caliper. Look at that. That's perfect. There are the pads and some mounting bolts. So aside from that, I also got a new chain. This is Amazon special chain. I'm not doing anything crazy because honestly, I don't think I'm going to keep that bike very much or for very often because, well, it's kind of janky. So I got you best Chinese, Amazon recommended. So I'm gonna go put that on the bike real quick and hopefully it actually works. So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, here I have the rear tire. So let's go ahead and put this brake on here. Come on, mounting holes. Mount, mount, mount. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. Perfect. Always remember to check twice and then do it. These are Allen keys. I wasn't expecting that. Looks like it doesn't come with mounting hardware for the actual mounting locations for here, so I'm probably gonna have to source that myself. Okay, I'm having a lot of trouble getting this in here. So for number one, I've got my calipers, and if I slide it on, there's no clearance. No clearance right there. I'm assuming, right? It's supposed to mount somewhere in like that. I think that's supposed to go through my axle. And then that's supposed to hook. Oh, okay. No, I got it. Never mind. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. I'm an idiot. But that's okay. Because we're learning here. So this will slip in there. This should snug up. Okay, try that. Oh yeah, baby. See, there we go. I'm getting somewhere. I'm learning. Look at that. Perfect. Boom, that goes there. Boom, that goes there. Okay, so I have no mounting hardware for it, so I guess I'm just gonna have to provide my own bolts. I guess I'll need a pretty low profile bolt to go in there. Let me check this chain real quick, make sure that's lined up. Okay, so this is my new chain. I have no idea how to do it. I just know I need to cut it down to size, find like a master link. Looks like that's one of them. So I'm just gonna YOLO it. Just gonna pry up on it. God, someone somewhere is cringing right now. Okay, I have no idea. Question, do I even need to cut it? Let me see how long this chain is. Oh yeah, 100%. I'm just gonna cut it. YOLO. Good enough. I think I got it. I think I just need to punch this thing out. I thought it was supposed to come with a tool, but I guess not. Okay, so this is kind of an abrupt jump in the video, but essentially I did get the chain good to go. Got the I got it all hooked up, and it is running very good. So there are no problems with it, and I think, you know, it'll do pretty good. So that pretty much concludes everything that I'm going to be doing to the bike before I take it out. And so next time you see this bike, it'll be out on the dirt, out on the road. Not the public road because it's not street legal, but it'll be out on the forest roads, and yeah, we'll see how she runs. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.